Today we discuss about the concept of ensemble, which is the part of statistical mechanics. This topic is in semester 6 of Ranchi University curriculum. The concept of ensemble in statistical mechanics is given by Gibbs. If we have a collection of particles, we shall refer to a single particle as a system, and to the collection of particles as a whole as an assembly. The collection of a large number of assemblies is called ensemble. That means large number of systems collectively known as ensemble. So we say that ensemble is defined as a collection of very large number of assembly which are essentially independent of one another, but which have been made macroscopically as identical as possible. Macroscopically identical means each of the system of ensemble satisfies the same macroscopic conditions like volume, energy, pressure, temperature, total number of particles, etc. Essentially independent means the system constituting an ensemble are mutually non-interacting. Just as example, non-interacting molecules of a gas. In statistical mechanics, we deal about the large number of particle system. Just like a gas, because gas is studied in a large context. There are three standard ensembles: microcanonical, canonical, and grand canonical ensemble. First we start microcanonical ensemble. Microcanonical ensemble is a collection of essentially independent system having the same energy, volume, and a number of particles. We see the figure where we have 9 boxes. These boxes represents a system. Each system have some physical quantity where E stands for energy, V stands for volume, and N stands for number of particles. All the systems have common E, V, and N. But here we see that all boxes are separated from each other. These separators are insulated walls. It means there is no transfer of energy, number of particles from one system to other. That is, all the systems are isolated. Second ensemble is canonical ensemble. Canonical ensemble is also collection of essentially independent system having the same temperature, volume and number of identical particles. Here we see the figure, but in these figures all the boxes are connected to each other. Here it is noted that all the systems are in thermal contact. These boxes are separated by a conducting wall where these walls permit to exchange energy from system to system, so that all the system have common temperature. The third ensemble is grand canonical ensemble. It is also the collection of large number of essentially independent systems or assemblies having the same temperature, volume and chemical potential. We see the figure. Here all the systems are in thermal contact. But the difference in canonical and grand canonical is, in canonical ensemble only energy transferred from system to system, but here there is exchange of energy as well as the number of particles from one system to other. Which ensemble is chosen? It may depends on the physical situation of the system. The macrocanonical ensemble is a fundamental and refer to the simple situation in which constituent systems are isolated and not influenced in any way by external factors. So microcanonical ensemble is best suited for an isolated system. If there is always some energy exchange with the surrounding, then to handle this physical situation, we take canonical ensemble, which is best suited to describe the exchange of energy from system to the environment. Here we put the comparative study of these three ensembles. We say microcanonical ensemble is isolated system, but canonical and grand canonical are the systems in thermal contact. In microcanonical ensemble there is no exchange of energy and matter. In canonical ensemble only exchange of energy is possible, not matter. But in grand canonical both matter and energy will be exchanged. Microcanonical ensemble have no any type of fluctuations, In canonical, energy term will be fluctuated, but in grand canonical, both energy and matter will be fluctuated. So, the study of ensemble is important to deal the physical situation in different parts of the study, like thermodynamics and other parts of physics in which we deal about the large number of particles.